Hey guys, what is up, and welcome to another episode. On today's video or daily market outlook, whatever you want to call it, we're going to be discussing the major dollar pairs and the dollar index. So let's dive in and see what has been going on. So first of all, dollar index is on the rise, still no sign of it slowing down at all. Yeah, we're currently located in this area of weekly supply, as I pointed out in yesterday's video, but still no sign of a slowdown. So once we pretty much pass this area of supply, that kind of the only thing really in the way of the dollar index rising is potentially a fake out on this liquidity high. If we do not see a fake out on that, then I am afraid that we will see a much higher push on the dollar index, approximately all the way up in towards 112.8 even. So yeah, that is the dollar index. No sense in going in towards the lower time frames. So let's have a look at Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar started falling even lower. So at the moment, what I'm looking at is this area of weekly supply located over here at around 0.65 to 90. We'll be keeping my eyes on that area of price. At the moment, daily chart is not really analyzable. If I look over here to our left, we do have some areas of daily demand from approximately over here 0.66834. so we'll wait for Aussie dollar to at least hit that price. Looking at this 4 hours still in a bearish order flow. If we do see a pullback, then I'll be looking for a new short from this area of supply, but first of all we need liquidation due to this being a clean move. So that's Aussie dollar. Then euro dollar has just been falling. We didn't break that high, so no potential long for me. We're still just in this daily bearish order flow. No pullback at all. Let me just delete this. So that means that this or somewhere over here is potentially going to be a swing low, and then we're going to be waiting for a pullback. For that to happen, I don't know. If we look at price over here, we haven't been this low since, what was it, 2016. It's not looking good for the euro at all. Dollar is just much stronger. So yeah, let's see when we're going to be forming any support, because at the moment it just seems like the euro dollar could fall lower and lower. There's no price at all to kind of indicate where we're going to be finding support, so I'll just be waiting for the dollar index to reach some kind of resistance and then try to trade euro dollar. But at the moment, no added use in trading euro dollar. Then pound dollar. So yeah, pound dollar is located in an area of daily demand over here. Yeah, so daily demand located over here. Currently still waiting for a potential pushback up or pullback trade, but at the moment, as we can see over here, there's just nothing really much going on. Yeah, what can I say? I mean, I'll be waiting for a pullback, but there's no real area of support from where I can be able to take a trade. However, I do think that we are going to see a pullback soon. We're kind of in this area, of demand over here on the 4 hour time frame on pound dollar. So I am expecting a potential pullback to occur on this pair. As we can see, nice tap in towards this area of demand, straight away seeing a reaction. So let's wait and see what happens, guys. Just going to be waiting. We need some trend switches, nothing really much to be said. Kiwi dollar pretty much the same. We'll be waiting for a push up higher, at least in towards here, before looking for another sell-off in towards the downside. Then gold is pushing up from my area of demand, which I pointed out yesterday. Currently waiting for a push up and then a break of the highs to then start looking for a potential long back up, at least in towards this area of supply, and then potentially even up higher, because it would be good for price to see some form of a healthy correction back up in towards the upside, with this of course being your first area of kind of resistance / supply. I definitely do think that we are going to be popping up in towards there, with this obvious liquidity high at 1752.48 needed to be taken out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Just a quick one as well. Euro yen, waiting for potential long on this pair from this area of daily demand. So yeah, guys, sorry it's a little bit early still, but thank you so much for tuning in. I wish you a fantastic day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will be speaking very soon. Not much interesting things going on in the market personally for my 4 hour strategy. So yeah, I'll just be mainly waiting. So yeah, guys, thanks and speak soon.